I'm Samhith Rao. I'm from Diksha Excellence Batch. I have appeared for JEE Mains, KCET, and of course the second PU board examinations. I'm top 10 in the state for the board examinations. I have received 30th rank in KCET, 907th rank in JEE Mains, and 437 in advanced. Yeah, I think like revisiting the questions which you've already solved and reviewing the mistakes you've made really helps a lot. I think I would advise this for anyone attempting these exams. In our college, we were given like consistent exams every week for the second PU boards. No topics were neglected. And I think towards the end, if we just solve a few previous year questions and check out the blueprints, then it's good enough to sum. Yeah, for physics, I think HC Verma is essential. For chemistry, there are quite a few. In physical chemistry, there's RC Mukherjee, which is excellent, and also N. Avasthi. And in maths, there's Sengage. Sengage is enough. Solve all the previous year questions and review them again and again. And of course, any questions which you haven't been able to solve in the past 2 years, again, go and look back at what mistakes you made and see what the important points are. I think for the boards, physics, I feel like I neglected a little bit of NCERT. NCERT line by line is important even for any competitive exam. And remember to stay calm no matter how hard the exam is, because it's hard for everyone who's writing it.